Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this very beautiful and pretty pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater, gent sweater. See, this is the look of this pattern, and you can also knit this pattern as a hat pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and a 4 rows repeat pattern after your 6th row. For the first repeat you will repeat you will knit 6 rows, and then you will repeat only 4 rows after your 6th row, right? So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern after your 6th row, and then you will need to cast and multiples of 6 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 20 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6 18, and 2 edge stitch 20. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 4, purl 1. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Purl 1, sorry, 2 more repeats. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and purl 1. Again, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and then purl 1. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 4, knit 1. Again, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 1. One more repeat. Knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 1. Last edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1 and this as well, purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2, and for these 2 stitches we are going to make 2 stitch in 1 here and here. So make 3 in 1, 1, wrap the yarn around, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, make 3 in 1. Again here as well, 1, 2 and 3, and then purl 2, 1 and 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, make 3 in 1, 2 times, 1, 2 and then purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1, 2, make 3 in 1, 1 2 3, 1 1 2 and 3, 2 times, and then purl 2, 1 2. One more repeat, purl 2, 1 2, and then make 3 in 1, 1 2 3, again 1 2 3, and then purl 2, 1 2. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1 2, slip 3 2 times, 1, slip 3 2 times, 1 2, 2 times, and then knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, slip 3 2 times, 1 2, and then knit 2. Repeat that again. We have 2 more repeats. Knit 2, 1 2, and in front, slip 2 2 times, sorry, slip 3 2 times, 1 2, knit 2, 1 and 2. Again knit 2, 1 2, and in front, slip 2, slip 3 2 times, 1 2, 2 times, and then knit 2. Edge stitch and in front, purl on the wrong side. Now row 5 right side. Row 5 right side, your edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, and now these 3 stitch and this 1 stitch, we're going to twist these 3 to the right way. So bring this 3 here from the front side, and from these 4 stitch, knit these 3 together through the front loop, right, through the front loop. Knit this purl stitch, knit 3 together, knit 1, and here these 3 and this 1 stitch, we're going to twist this 4 to the left way. So bring this 1 purl stitch here from the back side, and from this 4 stitch, knit this 1 purl stitch and knit this 3 stitch through the back loop, here through the back loop and here through the front loop. So knit 3 together through the back loop, see, and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, twist 3, twist 4 to the right way, from the twist 4, knit 3 together, knit 1, twist 4 to the left way, from the twist 4, knit 1, knit 3 together, and purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 1, and in back, twist 4 to the right way, bring this 3 here from the back side, sorry, front side, and from these 4 stitch, knit 3 together through the front loop and knit 1, sorry, knit 1, here twist 4 to the left way, bring this 1 purl stitch here from the back side, and from these 4 stitch, knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop, and then purl 1. One more repeat. Purl 1, and in back, bring this 3 stitch here from the front side, and from these 4 stitch, knit 3 together, knit 1. Here bring this 1 purl stitch here from the back side and knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop, and then purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 6, last row, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the and then knit 1. That's the repeat, knit 1, purl 4, knit 1. Repeat that again, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 1. Repeat that again, knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 1. And your edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 4 rows. You're going to skip your row 1 and row 2. Now start from row 3, right? Row 3 and then end with your row 6. You repeat these 4 rows, row 3 to row 6, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.